Just keep.
I'll just start. All right.
We can just cut this part out.
All right. Can we turn on like that light?
Oh, which one?
The one right above us. Are there lights in there?
This.
Yeah.
Where are you?
I actually think there might not be lights in there. Oh wait, no. There's at least one light in there.
Okay, this is the fan. The switch that turns the fan on. And
Okay.
I turned it off with that one. So that means.
It's impossible.
You have to have the light switch. You have to have the light switch on.
Oh wait.
That's the thing that changes the direction of the fan.
Okay.
All right, exclusive lore drop. Another behind-the-scenes item. We've got lights. That's still not bright enough.
Oh.
Just use the Minecraft torch.
Real. Okay.
It's just gonna be dark.
I'm just gonna set up.
It's
my-
gonna be dark and it's
No,
gonna
it's
look
not
like
gonna be-
there's a fire in the corner.
It's not gonna be dark, guys.
There is a fire.
I have lights. It's not gonna be dark.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Remember the things that we spent like 20 minutes trying to get over here?
Yeah,
We're gonna
that
have
was
to
a
carry-
lot. We
we're
had
gonna
to
have to
walk.
carry
I
for, like,
walked over
A while longer.
to that house, and I waited till
To
like
that
6
house?
minutes. Yeah, that
No,
house.
6 minutes when I told you that I was gonna be
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah, and then I like, your dad, like talked to me through the ring. He was like, "You can go inside and wait." That's why I went in. Like I was just waiting on the doorstep. I was fine waiting out there. I think I would have rather waited out there,
I mean, I figured
but
that
we would have had to go in anyways.
I figured
get the
that
bag.
he had talked to you. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then this goes here, right? And then that allows me to.
This is like a light from
Is it like
where
a
I
ju-
work, which I
Real.
Like a
didn't go to
adjustable
today.
or like brightness wise, or
Oh yeah, you can like change it and stuff.
does it have color temperature?
No, you can add like different
Ah,
gels to
I
the
can't
front
be
though.
outside. Wait,
I think
have a
it's
hoop light.
I think it's like 5600 Kelvin though, so it's like pretty.
We should have just like
can use
let's
that
get like
later.
colored sheets of paper. If we need to change the color temperature.
True, we just need to like diffuse it a little.
Yeah.
No, that would be terrible.
I'm gonna move this bag. Anyways, it has now
Put it on
been
the couch.
it has now been what is that? 3 minutes in Nelson
Oh,
podcast.
wow.
Two?
Nelson podcast
Yeah.
too. Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
We're just popping off with podcasts today. Like this is
Yeah, two.
Right, you know what?
two
You know,
podcasts
like
in
and
one
subscribe
day.
If you saw the other podcast.
this
True.
piece is piece D, guys. Remember that. It's important.
Oh, are they
Does it
labeled?
say-
I no. I'm just making stuff up.
Awesome. Alright, well here's an outlet. That looks
It's like
it's
piece B right there.
Yeah, it does look like a piece B, doesn't it?
alright, so you know
These look like A's.
you, redhead,
What?
plug.
Like intern now or something?
Yeah, I mean you are an intern. This is what you do at your internship, right?
It kind of is.
So yes,
Um,
but actually no. You just got the whole time.
Oh, that is so frank. Can you turn it down? Oh, this is so
Terrible.
good. It's reflecting directly off of my pasty white skin.
It's terrible.
It is.
Do you wanna
But it's-
Oh,
wait.
okay. Hold on, you want to hold this? I'm gonna go get something to hold it for us.
I have an
How
extension.
high does it need to be?
I have an extension cord.
Okay.
No, you just gotta have to hold it the whole time.
Here, so there's that side to plug in.
Come
Yeah,
to think of
plug
it, I think
that.
I have lights that like have color temperature.
That's cool.
Is it even like?
They're back in my house.
Comfortably?
So.
Yes.
Oh,
if
why
we
does
just
this
unravel this?
Not
but
plug in, guys.
I don't know.
Like and subscribe if you enjoy this content.
It's
This content is awesome.
Yeah, like if you're enjoying this behind the scenes content, if you think we
It
should
did
do
not
more,
turn on.
you should
Uh-huh.
actually.
You plug it into the wrong one.
Do I have a broken extension cord?
Nope, it's not my house being scuffed.
You plug it into the wrong
Did you plug in the right one? Is it this one?
I plugged in the right.
No.
Oh, okay.
You plugged in the black cord.
Let's
When
go. What
there's
does
a-
that even go to?
I don't know. Oh, it's so.
It's to the power supply.
It's a
Okay.
tiny one.
All right, guys, we are now lit,
Okay,
just
now
like my
we're
brother.
actually starting. So if you skipped here, you missed like how much is it? You missed 4 minutes of
Almost
content.
5 minutes.
Yeah. So
Alright.
let's just open
So,
up this
like, you
box
should go
real,
back to the beginning of the video.
real quick. So we just got this box. Haven't opened it yet. I cut off this part right here since I had the shipping label on it. And I
Yeah.
didn't want you guys to know that I lived at
That address.
276 Hampton, New Jersey, Ohio. Yeah. I just didn't. Just like for privacy reasons.
Yeah, of course. But now we're unboxing. All right, as you can see, it's a little green.
Ooh, that's kind of sussy wussy.
I should never say that
No,
again.
don't do it.
And please refrain.
Ooh,
this
this
is my bag now.
This
I
said
think.
2 pieces on it.
Green
What
light
does
come
the
on us.
instructions say?
I don't
Where's
know.
the
Are there instructions?
That looks like paper. Yes. Oh.
Oh look,
It's
there are
just-
instructions.
It's like Legos. They tell you how many pieces you should have.
Look, guys, this is what we're building.
It's true.
Except it's green.
It's green, yeah.
Like
I don't know if
Among
you guys
Us,
could
like
tell.
just trust though. Like trust.
Are we gonna attach
Okay.
the chains
Does
to
it
'em
actually
or
like
no?
say like
Yeah.
how to do it?
Oh yeah, it does. Do we want to look at that or just kind of guess?
I think we should
I
just
don't
kinda
know
guess.
what go. Oh, real.
It's like-
That is.
That goes there.
That's correct. That's correct. Here,
That's
show the
real.
camera. Take it out.
That's
Show the
real.
camera.
All right. What?
Beautiful.
And then,
So
and
it's
then.
probably have to like push.
First moment of it. Okay, this one
No,
there.
that's good enough.
These probably connect.
Oh, that's a middle piece.
Oh, okay.
So, like this goes
This,
here.
and then that.
This is going way faster than I thought it would, guys.
It is. I'm glad that we had the original bit when we were actually just setting up the whole video.
And then it's got like a
Yeah,
a
little
top part on it.
cap.
If you guys don't know, this is actually how they manufacture the Alien Nelsons on the Mars.
They just have like
I got this direct.
people.
I got this
together.
direct from Elon Musk. If you guys didn't know.
Yeah, he actually. Oh no! It's okay. It wasn't. Maybe it was on camera. They don't know that. They don't know that.
You don't
Oh.
know that.
You don't know that.
You
These
don't
are a
know
little
that,
shorter than I
guys.
thought they would be, to be honest.
That's okay.
And then these. This is the.
If we need to, we can just have someone like lay on the ground and like be like.
All right,
stools for 'em.
guys. I'm gonna roll the chains.
Got a two.
Ooh.
Okay. Look at that.
Chain. Don't
It's
show
like-
the
it's
shipping
like-
wheel.
I show the shipping label. We have to cut the entire video.
Yeah.
Or
Or we
just
could
blur
just
it
like
out.
shut it. Yeah. Or just blur it.
Anyways,
That would
can
be
I trust you to
significantly
put this
easier.
on?
What is this?
This is the
Is this like
part
the
around.
top part that goes like this?
Yeah, we gotta figure out. We want them to match, right? So we gotta figure
Yeah,
out how
do you
low
wanna-
now.
You wanna just do it like in the middle? Or
No.
Like
No, it goes
near
like-
the top.
It goes like here.
We
Wait,
need
what?
to imply our welding skills, and by welding I mean our measuring skills.
Okay, so you see this right here? We're just
It's
gonna
basically like
like
that.
line this up using this thing
Oh,
to the point where it
okay.
just barely touches the thing if you have it like at an angle, right?
Okay, and then you should
Like-
do that first, and then I'll do it.
Oh,
Or
okay.
maybe, yeah.
Yeah, that's a good
Terrible.
idea.
Yeah.
Here, grab the camera real quick and we can do a close up of this.
True.
Since everyone loves peeling content,
Mhm.
top tier Nelson peeling. Ready?
Alright guys, that was the ASMR video.
Yeah, I'm
For
gonna
the
cough
week.
during the
That was
next
the-
one, so they won't be
That was the
expecting that.
ASMR portion.
How did I
Yeah.
say I was gonna line this up?
I don't remember.
With that.
So it's gonna be that way.
Oh,
Here,
wait.
you wanna like hold that there?
Yeah, I can-
Yeah, thank you, camera person. And
You're
now
welcome.
we are
Yeah.
going to
You
Let
just
'em-
like have it like that.
so like
This is more complicated than it. I
and
ever
then,
thought
like really
manufacturing
together
an
the
alien
alien
Nelson would
Nelsons
be.
yeah.
Yeah.
all right, now we just gotta like wrap it around the edges here.
Yeah.
Mhm. Without like doing anything silly.
Now supposedly if I
If you
did
do
this
the
right,
same thing.
does it line up on the back here?
It actually does. You did amazing.
Let's go.
It's immaculate.
Top tier
It is
Nelson
immaculate.
content.
It's immaculate.
Alright,
I think.
part 2.
All right, let's take this off and we could just like line them up side by side to figure out
That's-
exactly.
That's smart, actually.
True.
I was just gonna
do this
like
on the ground. Like, what are we doing this for?
Real.
just don't make it stick to the carpet. that would suck. Just to
That would
remove.
very much suck.
move the item label, not item label.
Item label.
Item label. I
The
love item
shipping
label. I should have
label.
brought my PPs. I have 10 of them now, guys. Item label, please. I've given you so many money.
Item
So
label,
many.
please. We just want to make a music video.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sorry, guys. I got a little hungry. Anyways, we gotta
From I'm hungry.
we gotta line this up right. So make
You
sure that
don't
the
cough
angle
when
that it
you're
goes
hungry?
on matches.
Oh, I do.
Like and
So
subscribe
like
if you
move
cough
it
when
that
you're
way
hungry.
just a little bit.
This?
Yeah, and then when you put it on, just make sure that this edge lines up with
Just don't attach it.
that there. Yeah. So
And it
I have no
lines
idea
up
if
with
this is
the
in
bottom
frame or
one.
not because I'm looking at the back of the camera.
Okay. Let me put that all on.
I think that's good enough.
Now,
That's definitely good
supposedly,
enough.
if we win,
real. Yeah, that's good. We gotta.
It's okay. It's okay.
How,
it's
how
okay.
do you get it like perfectly lined up with the edge almost?
I don't know.
It's like
I don't know.
immaculate right there.
Immaculate. Good.
Immaculate.
Fine
I
for
know
me.
I am.
Yeah. I know I am.
What?
What
You're a
are you?
Macintosh? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm a Macintosh.
I'm a Mackin. I'm a Mac burger.
Real.
Why did I say that? Okay.
Yeah.
Sure, man.
And then we just.
We'll just not film that side.
Yeah.
It's okay.
That's okay. As they say.
Because it looks good on all the other ones, you know,
Nice.
because that's how that works. Yeah, and guys.
Anyways,
Remember-
we gotta put them back together now. Remember, guys,
I don't
if you ever feel sad, just remember Alien Nelson is here to teach you a life lesson about, like, hope.
Yeah, and like how to be green.
Yeah, that too.
Something like that.
Anyways, I think that's all.
all
Oh,
for
wait,
this.
carabiners.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I think it's like a Ziploc bag. So
Ziploc.
yeah, there's that for you. And then the chains, the chain Liam Nelson.
It just goes into the hole, and then you just no. You have to like put the chain in with with it,
For real.
bruh.
There you
POV.
go.
This is
Yeah, immaculate.
Careful.
Okay, other way.
I'm just saying,
There we
I did
go.
mine pretty quickly.
Shut up.
Oh, you guys gotta put it on right.
What are you talking about?
It
Skill
didn't-
issue.
it's.
It is.
You have a skill issue.
Anyways, that's all for the
Yours is upside down.
It doesn't
Mine is
matter.
upside- Yours is upside down. The little bit here is supposed to hold the chain.
That's what it was doing.
No, it wasn't.
You don't know that.
Yes, I do.
Anyways, if you guys like this episode of Nelson Podcast, People Try to Build a Thing,
Like and subscribe.
yeah, like and subscribe. We'll definitely do this again.
Yeah.
Like next time we have to do a funny school project.
That requires us
It
Put
requires us to
together
work on it.
and yeah.
Anyways, that's all.
That
Bye.
is it. That is it.
That-
pretty bright outside.
It's pretty bright inside.
This is how we made it bright outside. Still. That's all. Bye.
Bye.